Good morning, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our maths online class. Let's start it. What comes after? After matlab baad wala number. We have to write the after number. What comes after? After 1, 2. We have to write here 2. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 5? 6. We have to write here 6. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. What comes after 1, 1, 11? We have to write it 1 to 12. What comes after 13? We have to write it 1, 4, 14. What comes after 1, 5, 15? We have to write it 1, 6, 16. What comes after 1, 7, 17? We have to write it 1, 8, 18. And which number is this? 1, 9, 19. What comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. We have to write here 2, 0, 20.